the phone companies in LA, it was GTE and Pacific Tel, they had 12 channels. 12 channels. That was it. And the non-carrier guys, like my dad, had 12 channels. So we ended up with 4 of those, but there were other guys around Los Angeles that had the other 8. All of the phone calls that were on the air at the same time were on those 24 channels. So you could have a total of 24 telephone calls going on. And the reason that you couldn't have more was because the area coverage and all of the phones were in cars. So when you transmitted out of your car, you were transmitting at 10 watts. And all of the repeaters, the cellular or the wireless stations that were serving you were on top of mountains, not on top of, a 4-story building like they are now. So you had to transmit up to the mountaintop. You had to get into the wired telephone service or get into a service that would take you back to an operator. The operator would place your call and connect you with the cord board. And, like Lily Tom, you ever see Lily Tom? Oh, yeah. Well, that's how those phone calls got made, all of them. And that was in the 50s. So every phone call had to be assisted with an operator, like a long distance call used to be.
Right.
And in Los Angeles, you could only have 24 calls on the air at the same time.